right, guys, Vivitar Phoenix. Still flying great after, what, 3 years? Almost 3 years? Everything's held up on it. The batteries are still good. The controller's still working. The GPS is still coming in. Now, I got the GPS on right now, so it's pretty sporty even with the GPS on. See it? It's in mode 2, speed 2, I mean. Yeah, that thing's really sporty. And I'm not using any app, see? I'm just flying it without no app, just out flying. Wow, great stuff, man. Great stuff. It's alive, the Vivitar. Oh, wait a minute, let me. It's thinking about it, right? All right, guys, there you go. It's still flying great. The Vivitar Phoenix, wow, one of a kind.
That's all, folks.